Do you want to downgrade BIOS on your Windows 11 computer? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. At times, a user may encounter system crashes or BIOS issues that they wish to resolve. If you believe a BIOS update caused the issue, the best way to resolve it is to downgrade to the previous BIOS version. That is why we have this video. Here we will see how to downgrade the BIOS on Windows computers. Let's get started. How to downgrade BIOS on Windows 11 computer. Before proceeding with the process, it is advisable to reconsider your decision. Downgrading the BIOS should be your last resort and should only be executed if all other options have failed. To downgrade BIOS on a Windows computer, you first need to download the BIOS's exe file. Follow the steps below to complete the same task. In this video, we use Dell computers as an example, but the process is the same, except that you will need to visit your respective OEM website to download the BIOS files. We have mentioned the OEM site, download links later on. First of all, go to dell.com/support. Then look for your device. You can search it by typing the name of your device in the search bar or by clicking on Browse All Products and then selecting your system. Then click on the drop-down menu. Look for BIOS. If you can't find it, use the keyword BIOS. If you are not able to find the version that you want to downgrade to, click on the older version button. Then click on Download. If you are skeptical of whether you are downloading the right version or not, try searching for the BIOS file with your serial number. To know your serial number, open Command Prompt as an administrator and then execute the following command. This will give you your BIOS serial number. Then you can use it to find the right file for you. Now it's time to downgrade BIOS. There are two ways by which you can do the same. Let us see the first one. Method 1. Using USB. There are two conditions here. Do you have a battery or don't? If you're not seeing the battery icon in the taskbar. If you have a battery, then just go to the file, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then follow the on-screen instructions to do the same. If you don't have a battery or if Windows is not recognizing your battery, then we need to use the command prompt. Copy the downloaded file into the C drive, then go ahead and note the name of that file. Then execute the following commands. As simple as it gets. Method 2. With USB. If the first method didn't work, then we need to pull out your USB stick to do the job. Plug your USB, then download Rufus from rufus.ie. Open Rufus, select your USB, change boot selection to Free DOS and file system to FAT32. Finally, click Start. Once your drive is ready, copy the downloaded content to it. Then restart your computer and hit F2 or F12 to boot into BIOS. Also make sure that you have enabled boot from USB or you are getting an option to do the same when you open the computer. Once you have booted with your USB, you will see a screen asking you to give commands. If you can see the contents of your USB, execute the second command, but if you do not see the contents, execute the first command prior to executing the second. After executing the commands, you will be asked to confirm your action. Click Y whenever prompted. For Dell computers, tools like the Dell Support Assist or OS Recovery tool can help you if your computer is unable to boot to the operating system even after repeated attempts. Other brands too have similar tools. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.